I, Ms. Twani Jagat Shah, congratulate my father for completing 25 years of excellence of his company, The Perfect Holiday Services. Thank you for your kind support and blessing.
Hello everyone. So the big day is finally here. 25 glorious years of perfect holiday services, which was not possible without the love, support and blessings of each and every one of you. Also a big thank you to our PHS team for all the hard work and efforts put in by them. We as a family are extremely proud of Jagat for the tremendous hardships he's put in to build PHS. Jagat is a self-made man who started from scratch. Let's hear his journey in his own words. The man himself, Jagat Shah.
Hi, I am Jagat Jayantilal Shah, and on behalf of my family, staff and the entire team associated with us would like to thank you from the bottom of our heart for helping us to make it to this level of reaching 25 years of glorious success and celebrating Silver Jubilee on 22nd October 2020. This is a beautiful journey, and this journey started way back on 22nd October 1995 when I started a small business of Perfect Tours and Travel with the initial help of my parents and family. We initially started airlines ticket booking, followed with coach tickets and car rental. Later things progressed with us and we started doing hotel reservations, package tours, visas, passports, etc. etc.
તમામ યાત્રી સ્ટાફ એજન્ટનો આભાર. તેઓએ આ સિદ્ધિ સુધી પહોંચાડ્યા તે બદલ ખૂબ અભિનંદન.
જગત જયંતીલાલ શાહ ગુટકા ની પરફેક્ટ હોલિડે રજત જયંતી સુધી પહોંચી છે તે બદલ અભિનંદન, ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. જગત, જીજ્ઞા અને ધ્વનિને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન, આશીર્વાદ અને શુભેચ્છા.
Congratulations to Jagat and Perfect Holiday Services for reaching this milestone 25 years Silver Jubilee in traveling business. Congratulations and thanks to our proud parents Kantaben and Jayantilal Shah for being with us to reach this milestone, giving us moral support. Congratulations and thanks to Jigna and Dhwani for always besides him. Thanks to all our clients who have been with us for years, helping us to grow and prosper. Thanks to all our friends and relatives who have supported us. Thank you all.
Congratulations to Jagatbhai and તમને બધાને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન.
The ultimate support without whom I would have not made it to this level is my papa, my mummy, my wife, my daughter and of course my elder brother and his family who are residing in Kitale, Kenya. They are my pillars of strength and have stood by me in every situation. We got the breakthrough when I first visited Kenya in August 1997, followed with the United Kingdom in September 1998. That time I realized there is a good market of inbound tours from those countries to India, and we started concentrating those tours for overseas clients.
Start.
Things went very well for us with the huge support of overseas clients from UK, Kenya and other parts of the world for package tours, hotel reservations, etc. etc. The major turnaround for us was when we started the special kitchen tour for conducting lots of religious tours for our overseas clients. The major support for this was from Kantibai and Sarojbin Gutka of Taipan Vacation, Nairobi, Kenya. We have done more than 25 tours for them in the last 10 years and we are expecting many such tours in the future also. Our major business is from United Kingdom, for which we are really thankful to Mr. Hitesh Shah of Jetworld Travel, who has really supported us since last 22 years. And the other major support what we have got it from our Alari Visha Oswald News magazine, in which we have been giving the advert promotions for past 20 years. The other main support or the backbone of our success is our loyal and trustworthy staff who have dedicated their time, effort, skill and knowledge in building up this company. There are few staff who have given a decade of their life to build up this company.
Hi, I am Siddhi Balaskar, working in this company for past 20 years. I am handling ticketing and visa division. Along with I work as a tour manager on tours. Thank you for your support for last 25 years.
This is Khushbu Jangam. I am handling hotel and tour packages. I have joined this company from 2007. I have completed 13 years and I am very lucky to celebrate this occasion of 25th Silver Jubilee in Perfect Holiday Service, and thanks for your support.
હું મનોજ ચુનિયાલ મકવાણા છેલ્લા 14 વર્ષથી પરફેક્ટ હોલિડે સર્વિસમાં કામ કરું છું. હું ટૂર મેનેજર અને ટૂર એસ્કોર્ટ તરીકે કામ કરું છું. છેલ્લા 25 વર્ષથી જે તમને અમને સાથ આપ્યો છે એના માટે ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર.
Working from accounts for PHS family for last 6 years since June 2014, and it's a wonderful journey to celebrate this movement with PHS family, and thank you for the support.
Hi, this is Krishna, better known as Krish. I am the tour manager at Perfect Holiday Services in past 8 years. On this special occasion of completing 25 years, I would also like to thank our mentor Mr. Jagat Shah for always guiding and supporting me. I wish we continue to grow and cherish our company in future. Thank you.
I am Ms. Prajakta Shatte, working in ticketing and visa department. I am lucky to be a part of Perfect Holiday Services since Jan 2020, celebrating the successful 25 years. Thank you for your support.
Working in Perfect Holiday Services since 2008. I'm handling hotel reservation, package tours, and I'm specialized in outbound packages. It's been a wonderful working with PHS family. Thanks for your support for helping us to celebrate 25 years of Silver Jubilee celebration. Thank you.
Hi, this is Purav Shah, working at Perfect Holiday Services for the past 3 years in the hotel booking, reservation, tour manager, and social media marketing division. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our team, staff, and guests for helping us reach to this milestone of 25 successful years. Thank you for your support.
Hi, I am Ms. Devi Dudat from Ticketing and Social Media Marketing, and I am working in PHS since past 2 years, and we are celebrating this 25 years of successful, and thank you for your support.
Jaina Trivedi, ex-staff of PHS. Thanks for everything, especially love and care you have given to us. Wishing you a successful future on your business anniversary, sir. Happy 25th anniversary, sir.
Congratulations, sir, on completing 25 years of Perfect Family. I'm so happy and glad, and many, many more years to be successful with you. And ઘણી બધી યાદો છે, ઘણી બધી વાતો છે પરફેક્ટ ટૂર્સ એન્ડ ટ્રાવેલ્સ સાથે, PHS સાથે. And Rupal Kanania wants to thank you.
I'm Salma Sheikh, ex-staff of Perfect Holiday Services. It was amazing to think that I've worked with Perfect Holiday Services. Thank you so much, sir, for putting in all the hard work in me to teach me everything and to make me an all-rounder. Happy 25th business anniversary.
We cannot forget our local suppliers, ground agents, hotels and resort, without whom we would have not got so much of appreciation, as ultimately it's their support which has helped us to rise to this level, as they have given us tremendous support in making our clients very comfortable during their tour. And finally, while I end my note with a very big thank you to all of you who are in touch with me directly or indirectly with my company for making me to reach this level. I expect the same support and faith in future so we can go a long way in this life.